Today we are going to use a twin washing machine to clean our clothes. Here are our clothes. We have to first sort them accordingly. These are not white, and we have these ones which are white. This one we have to clean them together, and also these ones we have to clean them together. Oh, we have this shampoo for mirabis, for clothes which are not white, and this sabun for clothes which are white. This is our switch where we are going to put our washing machine here. This is our washing machine, as you can see. This is where we get water from. We are going to get water from here, and this is our basin because this is a twin washing machine, we are going to get water from my clothes from here, put them here, remove sabun, then put them here for removing water. Oh, we have finished with putting their water. We have to close here. Then at this time we are going to start our washing machine. As you can then we have finished with cleaning. We have to remove them from here and put them here. As you can see, then we put our clothes here. To remove water, you can see now our clothes are ready. They are finished with water. Now we have to remove them from here. And take them. As you can see, we have to clean our. Thank you for watching. Keep following.